Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments. This is a follow-up from a previous video.
D.C. police say a driver wanted in a road rage shooting has been arrested in Costa Rica. Police say the man was driving a Maserati last May along Eastern Avenue. They say he climbed out of the car, shot into another vehicle, and a woman in that car was wounded by gunfire. There were 2 small children in the car injured by broken glass. Well, police say 42-year-old Kenneth Miles Davis Jr. of Clinton, Maryland, was taken into custody in Costa Rica August 5th. He's now going through extradition to face charges here in D.C.
On camera, take a look at this here. A judge has sentenced a man to 32 years in prison for what you're looking at right there. Prosecutors say that's 45-year-old Kenneth Miles Davis of Maryland. You might remember this, stepping out of his Maserati and firing into a car with a mother and 2 young children inside. He fired 7 times, then turned around and fired 6 more times toward bystanders. Yeah, that's some chilling video right there. The mother was shot in the arm. Her 5-year-old was cut by broken glass. Thankfully, no one else was hurt. This was back in May of 2021 in rush hour traffic at Kenilworth and Eastern Avenues in Northeast D.C. Prosecutors say Davis opened fire simply because the woman had tried to change lanes in front of him.